You will. You will. Oh man, I'm not gonna run out of breath. Boy, this mouse is really painful.
You are listening to Ear Snacks
With Andrew and Polly.
Ear Snacks with Andrew and Polly.
Hello, you are listening to Ear Snacks. My name is Andrew.
Andrew, no, we don't have time to introduce ourselves.
What is happening, Polly?
We're in the middle of a game. Well, I'm in the middle of a game, and I think it would be really fun if you could play with me because I'm in a spaceship flying through outer space.
Outer space? That sounds like fun.
We want to come? Come on, sit right here, right next to me.
Okay, great. Here we go. Okay.
I'm gonna be the Captain Princess Commander.
Yes, and I will be the Dr. Ballerina Scientist.
Watch out for that. What?
What? I watched out.
I like your costume.
Oh, thank you. I made it myself.
Whoa, we gotta get past that.
Yeah, an asteroid kablonkers. Oh, look, Polly, a water planet. Can we go over there and explore?
Yeah, let's go. Hold on.
Okay.
I'm gonna slow the ship down. Okay, we're hovering above the new water planet. Are we lowering our ship down? Are you ready?
That was the bay door opening.
Okay. Should we put our spacesuits on?
Oh, yes, yeah.
Will yours fit over your tutu?
Yeah, no, I think the pants will, yes.
Okay.
Okay, and will your helmet fit over your tiara?
Yes, my helmet will fit over my tiara.
That's fantastic.
Okay.
Let's go. Splash.
Andrew,
Yes, Princess Captain Polly.
I see the craziest alien fish I could never have imagined. They're all different colors and they don't look anything like regular fish. They have feet, but they're swimming feet.
Swimming feet.
I forgot to say over. Over. Over.
Sorry.
So many overs. Over.
Ooh, and I see some really interesting swirly-whirly underwater hurricanes that are rainbow colors.
It's kind of fun out here in this
Yep.
water space planet.
Yeah, it's great.
What else can we do here? I mean, we're just like swimming around.
I don't know, Polly. What else happens in stories?
Okay. So usually in stories, there's like who, what, when, where, and why. Yeah, so let's do the last part first. So why? Mm-hmm. Because I want to.
Oh, yeah.
And where is the planet of, we didn't give it a name.
Yeah, Water Planet Tantron.
Water Planet Tantron.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. And when is
The future.
Sometime in the not too distant future.
Space future.
Yeah, space future.
Elon Musk space future.
Okay, what is we're exploring a new planet where there's lots of interesting things to see. Yeah. And who is me and you?
Yeah. I was Dr. Ballerina Scientist.
Yeah, and I'm Captain Princess Commander. We're space heroes.
We're good guys.
Yeah, I'm a good guy.
Oh, and I'm a good guy too.
Well, sometimes stories aren't just about good guys. Sometimes there are stories where there's good guys, and then there's also people who are working against the good guys.
Oh, you mean antagonists?
Well, that's not the word I was thinking of. It was like...
Villains?
No, that wasn't it. It was,
Bad guys.
Oh, yeah, bad guys.
Maybe our friends will know something about that. Hey, you guys, who's out there?
Batman.
My name's Sadie.
Wesley.
Gray.
Adeline. Amelia. Kohler. Orion. Betula.
Where do you live?
I live in down the way.
I live in Pacific Palisades.
Los Angeles, California. Gretna. Berkeley. Nebraska. Little Rock, Arkansas. In America.
So who are some bad guys?
A bad guy?
Yeah.
I think of Bad Red Hulk. Stormtrooper. Catwoman. Darth Vader is a bad guy. Red Snake.
Joker.
Night Ninja.
Maleficent.
Poison Ivy. A bad scientist. A dragon. A bad mom and tank.
She sometimes is nice, but usually she's bad.
The Green Car Lightning McQueen. The Wicked Stepmother. The Evil Queen.
Yeah.
What kind of things do bad guys do?
Like the good guys? They can crush buildings with metal hands.
They steal things that aren't theirs.
They crush other cars. Super fast they speed. They poison the princess. They're bad.
Woo, that is bad, but maybe a little fun if it's just pretend.
Have any of you ever pretended to be bad guys?
No, but my brother has. Yeah. I crushed the bank with a hammer. Boom. He pretends to destroy the world. Be a ninja. I'm a ninja. I'm sneaky. Think it's sad to do all the good things. They don't listen. I don't know. They think bad things about the world. They don't listen to the world's rules and the police's rules.
How did you feel when you were playing bad guys?
Funny? Good.
Makes me feel that I'm gonna win because I'm strong.
You are listening to Ear Snacks. I'm Andrew.
And I'm Polly.
Okay, Polly, in our space story now, I want to pretend bad guys. So I'm a bad guy.
You're a bad guy?
Yeah, can you tell?
I cannot tell. You seem like Andrew to me.
Oh, but no, I'm bad.
You don't seem bad. You sound to me like a happy Andrew.
Oh, I'm bad.
Well, now you sound like a sad. You know what? You need bad guy help. You need to go to bad guy school.
I do?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe we should find somebody who knows how to sound like a bad guy.
Who might know how to sound like a bad guy?
Hey guys.
What?
Oh, hey, Morla.
Hello, Andrew and Polly. I heard talk about bad guys and what they sound like.
Yeah, but you don't sound like a bad guy. You seem totally nice.
I'm not a bad guy.
Oh.
Well, most of the time. Sometimes I get to pretend like I'm a bad guy.
What do you do that you get to do that all the time?
I'm a voice actor.
What kind of voices do you do?
I do voices for video games and for cartoons and for commercials and all kinds of things.
Okay, so say I want to be a supervillain.
A supervillain.
Yeah, so I'm Andrew, a supervillain. I want to take over the world.
I want to take over the world.
Yeah, I just want to take over the world.
When you're taking over the world, how does it make you feel?
Ooh, I think I'm excited.
Excited.
Yeah.
Why do you want to take over the world?
Ooh, because I want to be in charge and everyone will notice me and think I'm super important.
And do you want all those things maybe because you're sad or maybe because you're angry?
Oh, well, I hadn't thought about that.
Maybe you feel really scary and angry.
Oh, these are great. So
Yeah.
we have excited.
Yeah,
What would Andrew do to his voice if he were going to be excited?
yeah. How would I sound that way?
Well, think about how you are excited in your real life.
Oh, I know. When I'm really excited, a lot of the time I just get so excited and I'm like, and I talk really loud.
Oh, your voice gets louder.
Louder, yeah.
Yeah, louder. Okay.
Use some
Okay.
extra volume,
Yeah.
maybe some force.
Force.
Lots of force.
Nice.
Okay, so I could say, I'm going to take over the world.
Muscles in your voice.
Yeah, I'm going to take over the world. It still doesn't
Or-
sound very scary, though.
Yeah, so things that are scary, would they be more high-pitched or would they be more low-pitched?
So let's try.
I'm going to take over the world.
Well, that's pretty funny.
Yeah.
That could be a really funny bad guy.
Yeah.
But you wanted to be scary.
I'm going to take over the world.
Oh, that's a little scarier.
That was good.
I heard Morla do
Nice.
Oh,
That was like a low growly
yeah, that was almost like
situation.
a whispery kind of growly
Like
voice.
almost sometimes maybe bad guys kind of sound like animals that we're scared of.
So you're making some like tiger, bear, lion, big animals that are really fierce and strong and wild. Not like ruff, ruff. Like a yappy dog, a tiny little happy little yappy dog.
What I like to do when I get a character that I'm going to voice, I look at how they're built, what their shape is. And if they are really big, they might have like a really big sound.
Ooh,
Or if
that's a
they're
good tip.
really, really skinny and tall, they might have a really skinny, tall voice. And how old they are also changes, whether they're like a kid or something, or maybe they're really old.
You tricked me. I thought there were a lot of people in here all of a sudden.
No, Polly, it was just Morla and us.
Oh, okay.
What other parts of their face do you notice?
The shape of their eyes, their mouth, and their jaw.
You'll do that while you're making the voice?
Yeah, definitely.
To help you look a little bit like the drawing looks?
Right. So imagine that it's like an ogre type of bad guy.
Yeah.
Whose jaw juts out underneath.
Oh.
And the teeth come up to the front.
Yes.
Over the top of the lips.
This is super fun.
And I might have a voice like that.
Yes, my name is Ogre Ogerton.
Ogre.
Yes.
And the ogre's probably also quite big.
Yes.
So we add his weight to it.
Yes. I'm so glad you have stumbled into my woods.
They're probably fumbling around. So when they move, it might sound like they're out of breath. Apparently they're British, too.
When you move your face in all those ways, it changes the shape of your mouth, and that changes the sound that comes out of your mouth.
Yeah, sometimes when we're doing ear snacks, we get to pretend we're different characters too.
I know a little something about some giraffe.
What?
What are you talking about? There's no giraffes on ear snacks. Hey, everybody.
Boo! When you were growing up, were there any bad guys in movies or shows or stories that you remember thinking were kind of interesting?
Yeah, when I was little, I loved to watch scary movies.
Really?
Yeah, and I liked how they made my whole body stand at attention. And I liked being cozy in my home and knowing that I'm safe, but also the possibility of some sort of adventure that I'm just not sure about.
Yeah, and that's sort of what playing bad guys is all about. It's about trying out something that might seem a little dangerous and exciting, even though you know you're just playing pretend. It's sort of fun to play something scary, right?
It can be. I think it can be.
You get to do that every day.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Thanks, y'all. I realized how lucky I am.
Thank you so much for being on Ear Snacks, Morla.
Thanks for having me.
Yay!
And thanks for singing with us sometimes in real life.
Oh, we love singing with you so much.
And you guys are not scary at all in real life.
Phew.
You are listening to Ears.
Radio.
Okay, so Captain Princess Commander here. I'm back underwater. Hello, Andrew? What happened to Andrew?
I am a bad guy. I am underwater alien monster. Jarmar.
You have to say over. Over.
Over. I'm a bit of a pirate.
I don't know about this game anymore. Over.
Oh, but it's really fun, Polly. Like
Andrew, I'm so glad you're here. Whew, there was the super scary bad guys sounding low voice rumbling. He's back again.
Wow. Did I scare you again?
Oh, it's you.
Yeah.
It's just you.
Oh yeah, but I was pretending to be so scary. Just because it's fun to make like a scary voice and act like you're so big and bad.
Well, it was fun for you, but it wasn't fun for me.
Oh, I'm sorry, Polly. I would never actually really get you. I was just pretending. But I can go pretend over here by myself, and then you won't have to be scared anymore. Okay?
Oh, thanks, Andrew.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ha ha.
Okay, so, well, I'll just swim around in my space planet.
So bad. Ha ha. I'm gonna get you. Ha ha. Ah, all the treasures. Ha ha.
He's kind of funny now that I see him so far away pretending all by himself to be
Ooh, more
a super
treasures.
bad guy.
Ha ha. Ah.
Well, now I kind of want to play bad guys too.
Polly. Over.
Yes, bad Andrew, over.
Would you like to perhaps come play with me now that you're not so scared of what it is that I'm doing over here, being bad and all? Over.
Yeah, I totally do, Andrew. Over.
Ah, woohoo! I mean, woohoo!
But I'm gonna need a bad guy voice. Over.
Perhaps think about what Morla said about imagining what a bad character would look like, and then make your face and body feel like that character, and maybe you will sound like them. Har har.
Okay.
Oh my goodness, you almost scared me, Polly. Polly, is that still you?
It's Evil Polly.
You sound so evil.
It's just me. I hope I didn't actually scare you.
You did. You scared
Andrew,
me a
remember,
little
it's
bit.
just pretend.
Oh, yeah.
We're only just pretending.
Right.
And I'm gonna be evil Polly.
Sound a little bit like a penguin janitor, but I'll accept it.
I don't know what you're talking about. I've never been a penguin janitor. Bad Andrew.
Yes, evil Polly.
Ah, now that we're bad guys,
Arr.
let's go take over the world.
Or at least this ocean planet.
I see some treasure.
It's all ours.
Let's go get it.
Me first.
No, me first.
No, I'm the baddest. Me first. Ha ha ha.
No, I'm the baddest. Me first.
Will Andrew or Polly get the treasure first? Why are they having so much fun pretending to be so bad? Find out in the next exciting episode of Ear Snacks Bad Guys.
Thanks to Sadie,
Westley,
Gray,
Adeline,
Amelia,
William,
Kohler,
Roland,
Orion,
Betula,
and their parents.
and wonderful voice actress Morla Gorrondona.
You won't catch me next time. Better luck next time.
You know what's funny is bad guys swimming is still just bad guys swimming.
Loop, loop, loop.
If you want to be on Ear Snacks or to find out more, visit earsnacks.org.